Hi folks! We are now going to introduce the Price Book and Offers Book tool in the Vector Mobile. You can locate the tool through your menu and select the book option. The Prices Book is used to keep track of the grouping of the orders that have been seized by price level, as well as the depth of the market's bids for their cryptocurrency. It is also possible to check the buying and selling intentions of the investors and to check the spread of the asset prices at the moment. On the left side, we have the buyer side that shows the buying intentions, and on the right side, the seller side that shows the selling intentions. Then, for each price level, we can check the quantity of offers in a grouped way for that cryptocurrency in the market. Next, we have the Offers Book. To access it, simply swipe to the left, or select the Offers tab from the top of the menu. This tool shows us each of the orders individually for that cryptocurrency at a certain price level. And likewise, we have the buy side on the left and the sell side on the right. We can use the Offers Book to check the liquidity of the market and know which orders are impacting the market at that moment. Thanks for watching. See you soon.